Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. Yesterday, we discussed the story of Tense, his 3 daughters, and 12 grandchildren. So, what do you mean by tense? Tense refers the time of action. There are 3 types of tenses. Which are they? Past tense, present tense, and future tense. And each tense is divided into 4 categories. Which are they? Simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. How can we identify the type of tense given in a sentence? For that, we can check the form of the verb given in that sentence. That means the form of the verb changes according to the tense of that sentence. We know that a verb has 3 forms: V1, V2, and V3. We use these forms in different tenses. Today, we will discuss the topic present tense. We know that present tense refers the actions happens in the present time. It is classified into 4: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. First one, simple present tense. The form of simple present tense is subject plus V1 or V1 plus S or ES. As we all know, a sentence has a pattern. What is that? SVO pattern. Subject plus verb plus object. Here we have to use the subject, then V1 or V1 plus S or ES. What do you mean by this V1 or V1 plus S or ES? V1 means the base form of the verb, the root form of the verb. Then what is this V1 plus S or ES? That while discussing subject verb agreement, we have already discussed this. Where we have to use V1 plus S or ES. Whenever the subject is singular, we have to use V1. That means the first form of the verb plus S or ES. We know that for certain verbs, we have to use S or we have to add S or ES with the first form of the verb. For example, he plays cricket. Here, the subject he is singular. So, we use S with the verb play. So, he plays cricket. Like that, they play cricket. Why we didn't use S with that play, with the verb play? Because the subject is plural. The subject they is plural. So, we should use they play cricket. That means first form of the verb without S or ES. So, what is the form of simple present tense? Subject plus V1 or V1 plus S or ES. So, whenever the subject is singular, we have to use V1 plus S or ES. Then, whenever the subject is plural, we have to use the base form or root form of the verb. Then, rest of the sentence. That is the form of simple present tense. Subject plus V1 or V1 plus S or ES. Let's learn the usages of simple present tense now. We use simple present tense to refer to general truths or facts. For example, oil floats on water. Penguins live in Antarctica. Sun rises in the east. We use simple present tense to refer to habitual actions or things that happen repeatedly. That means to refer repeated action or routines. Example, we go to school every morning. I travel by bus every day. She wakes up early in the morning. We use simple present tense to refer to actions in progress when the sentence begins with here or there. For example, here comes my friend Sonal. There stands the tree that my grandmother planted long ago. We use simple present tense to refer to planned future actions. For example, Our school reopens on the first Monday of January. The badminton tournament begins next week. In all these sentences, we use subject plus V1 or V1 plus S or ES. We use V1 with plural subjects and V1 plus S or ES with the singular subjects. Second one, present continuous tense. What is the format of present continuous tense? The format of present continuous tense is subject plus is or am or are plus ing form of the verb. What do you mean by ing form of the verb? It's very simple. Ing form of the verb means verb plus ing. For example, play plus ing. Play is the verb. Play plus ing, playing. Read plus ing, reading. Jump plus ing, jumping. So that is the ing form of the verb or verb plus ing. Then where we have to use is, am and are. Whenever the subject is singular, we have to use is. Then whenever the subject is plural, we have to use are. With the subject I, we have to use am. For example, he is playing cricket. What is the format? Subject plus is or am or are plus ing form of the verb. Here, he is playing cricket. He is a subject, it is singular, so we used is. He is playing, play plus ing, verb plus ing. He is playing cricket. Then, what about plural subject? They. They are playing cricket. They is plural, so we used the verb are, then verb plus ing, playing. They are playing cricket. Then, I am playing cricket. With the subject I, we have to use am. So, I am playing cricket. The present continuous tense is used to describe an action that is going on at the time of speaking and is not yet completed. That means it is still going on. It is a continuing process. For example, I am teaching you. I am teaching you. It is a going on process. It is not yet completed. Like that, you are listening. You are listening. Here also, in this sentence also, it is a continuous process. It is yet not completed. It is going on. So, what is the format of present continuous tense? Subject plus is or am or are plus ing form of the verb. Third one, present perfect tense. The form of present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus V3. What is V3? Third form of the verb. Subject plus has or have plus V3. When we have to use has and have. With the singular subjects, we have to use has plus third form of the verb. And with the plural subjects, we have to use have plus third form of the verb. For example, he has played cricket. He has played cricket. They have played cricket. Here we used has plus V3 with the singular subject he and have plus V3 with the plural subject they. With all the perfect tenses, that means with present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense, we have to use third form of the verb. Then let's learn the usages of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense refers to an action that has just been completed or is still going on. Example, let's go. I have finished dinner. Here the action is completed. Second one, Mary has already solved 2 out of 5 puzzles. Here the action is not completed. We use present perfect tense to refer to an action that has continued from the past till the present moment. Example, we have lived here for several years. I have known Mamta for 5 years. Present perfect tense refers a completed action which is connected with the present moment through its result. Example, the cat has spilled the milk. You see it on the floor now. I have altered the new dress for you. You can wear it now. The present perfect tense refers an action that will be completed in the near future. Example, I shall have dinner when I have finished the story, and I shall go for a walk after I have finished dinner. Present perfect tense refers a habit when used with words such as when, before, until, and after. Example, Jyoti will not rest until she has completed the day's work. I can sleep only after I have switched off the lights. Fourth one, present perfect continuous tense. The form of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has been or have been plus ing form of the verb. We know that with all the continuous forms we have to use ing form of the verb. V1 plus ing. So we have to use has been plus ing form of the verb with the singular subjects and have been plus ing form of the verb with the plural subject. We use the continuous form of present perfect tense to indicate that the action which began at some time in the past is still continuing right up to the present or right up to the moment. For example, he has been playing cricket since morning. That means it is not yet completed. It is going on. Another example, they have been playing cricket since morning. They have been playing cricket since morning. In that sentence also the action is not completed. It started in the morning and yet not completed. It is continuing. It is a continuous process. So we learned that the form of the verb changes according to the tense as well as the subject of that sentence. Whether it is singular, we have to use certain verbs, and whether the subject is plural, we have to use another set of verbs. Today we learned the topic present tense and its four classifications: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tense. So what is the form of simple present tense? Subject plus V1 or V1 plus S or ES. Then continuous, present continuous tense. Subject plus is or am or are plus ing form of the verb. Next one, perfect tense, present perfect tense. The form of present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus V3, third form of the verb. Fourth one, present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has been or have been plus ing form of the verb. We have some textual activities related to this. Do it yourself. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. The notes related to this topic is also included. Learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with the continuation of this topic. Thank you.